Ibhola lethu ibhola lomzansi nabaphathelo. Siqala kanje ivideo yakhala le ndoda lena ithi Sundowns ayikazi yadominate i-league in all the seasons.
Never.
Quantify statement sakho.
Mamela awuthiyami.
Sure.
Mamela. I said this, I think it was way back in 2022. And then I said it again not last year as such. Yeah, it was last year. Yeah, it was last year when they were playing Polokwane City. When Udading Sisase Eco Shop, Oban Rulan. They were playing against Polokwane.
Okay.
Dog. I can see a rigged game from a minute off up until the last minute. You cannot tell me about the game. But Tina, we are the fans. We watch a game. God, at the end of the day, there are games that are being sold. When I say you sell the game, you do not sell the game as such as in like 90 minutes young. You can sell if first 45 or second 45. Young told.
Mara sikhuluma nge-team edominate 7 seasons, 8 league titles.
Nah, dog. Nah. When uke wayibona leyo nto leyo in South African football.
Yenzeka.
No. Ake ngibuze. Uke wayibona.
There's a first time for
everything. Come on guys.
Bheka, as soon as i-Sundowns iqala ukudominate i-riding abafana iyabenefita. Are you saying namagame abafana bawathengile?
Are you guys aware ukuthi uMotsepe is not the first person onemali oku-owner i-Sundowns? Are you aware of that?
That's where the problem is.
Let's get to game mfana. We saw i-riding i-Pirates play 1-1 ne Sundowns. I-Sundowns ikora kuqala. You came back wakora LS2.
Of which
did you come to this game confident?
Of which ikolabo. Mina ngizosho bafethu ngibukela ibhola mina. Angibukeli amandla bayinibiza lento lencane. Mina ngizonitshela ivar. Ebafethu is-equal like Sundowns was supposed to be a foul, of which it was a foul from Onemtejela. Onemtejela was fouled, and then the referee didn't give that foul. He said, "Play on." Young Bamba ngithini?
Sure.
No, it was a foul on Onomtejela. Ukuthi Onomtejela aluze ibhola lifike ushalulile liphase liphinde libuyele kuye. That was a foul, my G. Ngibukela igame mina.
Before we get to the goal, mfana ngifuna siqale lineup yakho. Uqale ngoChayine, uSiyema, uMbokazi, uHotho noLibitso. Then waba noNdulu, uNemtajela, uDansin, uMuremi, aPolice noMagopa. Were you happy at that lineup yakho?
Very. You know why am I saying so?
For sure.
Bafethu ngizwe abantu ababhaya bakhala ngokuthi every team must have a first 11. I don't know what it is with this first 11 thing. But let me tell you something. You're going to have a player that you're going to rely on. But then if you've never seen any other player, if Vali space or Ienza into it easy. Okay, fine. Let me come to you. Are you aware what your parents is how many subs today?
Only 2.
Only 2.
Which was
Umbutuma, angenela uMagopa, Putito, angenela uDansin. That was it.
Kwaiba uthengambali. Kwaiba
ungenele bani?
In the 86th minute.
Ungenele bani?
Ungenele Kwaiba. Phumebani?
Kwaiba.
aPolice, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Only 3. Yeah. How many okay, for a home team?
It's 5.
For a home team.
It's 5 subs.
How many?
It should be 5 subs.
How many for a home team? How many? How many?
Is it not 5?
No, 7, dog. I mean, okay. I think it's 6. Yeah, 6.
Oh, okay.
But they exhausted their Elon.
Umbula kadlalanga Fanda.
Yes. Yeah. There was no need for him to play.
Tito was already there.
Tito, yes. Because, I mean, you're going to put Umbule. I mean, the game was not as like from the first minute. If you could have looked at the game, it game being tough, dog. We were playing them, but they were not tough. We were the ones who were tough.
Yeah.
It was like it was our own ground game. Bona, they were like, they didn't know.
Yeah.
Nalo number 10 wabo, I didn't know. Like, ubani nimbiza bani? Santos.
Yeah.
No, nimthengela amateam amancane athi. I think even he calls
But
Lizokusokolisa.
ukhuluma as a person that dominated the game.
No, I dominated the game. I did dominate the game. I'll tell him. I see ring. In fact, Pirates had the moments on the first half, of which we didn't use. And I'm angry for that. Young Tol. A police, Obanlo, Munya, Umuremi. We had plenty of moments, plenty of opportunities that we could have used and we could have capitulated on that. But then anyway, it didn't happen the way. But then at the end of the day, out here, Sekulumi Paula. Sundowns Aiko on that status of Orlando Pirates. And I'm gonna say it again. Orlando Pirates, but fair too, you're gonna see something else this season. Orlando Pirates is one hell of a team. I don't know, like we ended up Umbutuma. Did you see who to Umbutuma? Umbutuma was substituted for Umahop.
Yeah.
And then like we still have Aborili in the bench.
Yeah, Ubuyile from the
Realize, he was there.
Yeah.
But then for Iko Sham, he did only
3 subs.
3 subs. 3 subs, my guy.
Ishukutini.
Yeah, come back to you're an average team, dog. You are an average team compared to me.
There was no need to change the starting lineup.
Are you aware what I'm away? I was away. Like I'm in Pretoria.
Sure.
I'm from Soweto.
Sure.
But I kept you in your own house. I ruled you in your own house. You can't tell me anything. From the first minute up until the last minute, I've been ruling you.
Yeah, it's not about
That's football. Like, you know.
It seems like we're happy.
We are in Gaza.
It seems we're happy.
Yeah,
No, I'm not happy with the draw. I'm not happy with the
You're
draw.
happy and losing points.
I was hoping for more.
Yeah.
I was hoping for more, but I think like my team got relaxed second half.
Yeah.
We were too much relaxed.
Yeah.
Of which I think is the coach who was like, nah, take your time, don't pressure them, they will come to you, and they lose the ball, you go to them. I don't like that. I want the Pirates that I know. The Pirates that's on the ball, the Pirates that can execute, the Pirates that can do it. Jesus. Damn it. No, man, you cannot. It's impossible. But whoa, dancing, whoa, Jesus Christ.
What do you think, Vedagala Kolan?
Wow.
Boys,
Wow.
Was it a lucky call?
Wow.
Was it a lucky call?
No, that's not a lucky call, my guy.
Yeah.
If you remember, Ulibiso Eshai Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, Yakubula first call. It was his first game. Sure.
It's the very same, but then now, Ega dancing is very difficult because it was coming from the air.
Yeah.
And then a picture.
Yeah.
But then we're too melangeal.
Same as le Ujali wakawashaya yona uChayina.
Yeah, so like it's as if like no, ilok 1919. So but then ngama goals ngiyakudlula number 3 no.
Okay, so Ikosi number 3.
Ikosi number 3 no.
Then same
point
of
goal.
Yeah. Then Pirates number 4.
Yeah. Now Pirates number 3.
Number 2 in.
Number 2 is Kukun. I get to lose it, but they still have 20 points. Now we have 1919.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
that's how it goes.
Okay.
That's how it goes. Yeah.
So his Sundowns
number 22, yeah. But then, man, I'm still behind with 1 game.
Yeah. Now you've got 9 games. The Chiefs in 10
games.
Then Sundowns in 11.
The Sundowns in 11, and then Chiefs in 10, and then Kukun is in 10. So I have 9.
Wow.
Yeah. This was supposed to be a win or a draw game.
Yeah.
I wasn't supposed to lose to Sundowns.
Yeah.
Sundowns
So this is like a lose go.
it's a lose to me, man. It's a lose to me. Because I think like we could have buried this game. This game was supposed to be buried.
Dominated, but you feel like it's a lose. I understand.
No, my man. You know why I'm saying it feels like a lose to me.
Yeah.
Those guys were not supposed to be like they have like it was not supposed to be Sundowns first to score. It was supposed to be me who scored first. If you remember everyone, you remember the incident who's this guy? A police? A police in fact wafika wakhabela ibona angazi ukuthi bekenzani just. But then anyway, you cannot take it away from our police. Our police is an exceptional player. Like he's out of this world, my nigga. Like he's one player that you can rely on. Like he's a soldier. Before you can say he's a player. So like when you look at that ball, when you look at Ipola Gamahopa, and then you're gonna look at Ipola Gabane foot, Uti not Tito, Uban Lombana Lobegang you. And then to the first half, there were clear goals Pirates. Or what Pirates is in
But that's gonna say to Kulu. Okay, you wanna add Sandawan?
If you just check his stats, University's Ning, are they all on target or
no?
Shy and Japan.
Hence I'm saying.
Let's check his stats.
No, hence I'm saying. No, listen. Hence I'm saying. I wanna like because like this is football. We need to talk football.
Yeah.
Not invest imiso. Ibola le elka police le missile. I think it was 6 minutes, 7 minutes tops.
Yeah.
Untwana, like it's a slip up. You know what a slip up is? Like there's a ball coming to you, but then alfiki ngale ndlela ofuna ngalo livele lidlule kuwe lidlule lengathi.
Sure.
Okay, that was a slip up. And then ekamahopa uyavala play, of which he was supposed to take a straight shot. And so he had all the space, everything. He was just supposed to shoot, but then he did what? But I think vale.
Yeah.
And then wabuyele emuva ngalo. Ngithola we had El Galbito. Ulibito, he was just unlucky because lela ball alifikanga kuye kahle. He did try ukuthi al control it, but then lafikela kuphi kule nyawo elisezantsi. And then when that is done, and then uso slider one, you will never do anything.
And the one opportunities are the first half.
Those were the first half opportunities.
So you should have buried
three of them.
Came in first
three
half.
Of them, my guy. Sundowns. I don't know what is Sundowns. I feel like I was playing Skukuni. No.
Are you ready with
no.
the stats, boy?
Yeah, shots on target, so Babin is not 3-3.
Yeah, but ready. Off target.
Pirates has 8.
And then
Sundowns has 7.
You see? It was a 50-50 game.
There was nothing. It was a 50-50 game.
There was nothing special.
Dominating and next.
There was nothing
You can
special.
debate the whole game of it. Ipola Lumzansi, one Orlando Pirates, one Mamelodi Sundowns, one number 1 Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, 2 Sikukune, 3 Kaizer Chiefs, 4 Orlando Pirates,
number 4
difference. Yeah.
All I'm 2-2.
Sancaja wafethu.
Thank God.